Hey everybody, if your YouTube's playback quality is dropping and you're looking out to fix that issue, today we are going to guide you through the method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You may start by opening up the YouTube application for that and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and access your settings from here at the top. And go to the section for video quality preferences so you can find it up and tap on it. And set it on Wi-Fi for higher picture quality. So tap on this option, or instead of this auto recommended, you can select this option of higher picture quality for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. And what that will do is that will basically set the picture quality to higher picture quality, not on auto. And whenever you play the video, that should automatically give you the highest quality available based on your internet connection. Also, clear the cache. You can hold the app and go to the info. And once you are there, you may scroll down, find the option for storage, and look out for the option for clear cache and also clear data. That should reset the settings. You can check it out. And if not this, you can update the application to the latest version. Go to Play Store for that. And within Play Store, go to the search and basically search for YouTube here. And go ahead and look out for update. If not that, you can uninstall it and reinstall it. That should also work out for you. And yeah, that's it. Usually, those are probably the method you can follow. Also, having a good internet connection is one of the basic necessity for the playback quality to not drop. So I may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.